Hi, my Omega dishwasher is 7 years old and came up with an E4 error code. I've been that I should replace it rather than trying to fix it because of its age. What do you recommend? Regards, Kaye.
Hi. Just to clarify, what's the make and model of your dishwasher? And have you run a diagnostic test cycle?
No, I haven't run a diagnostic test cycle yet. It's an Omega 0707XB.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it's simple to fix, yes.
Is there anything else the Whitegoods Expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I have disconnected everything and removed it outside under cover, and it leaked water from underneath as I did this.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is James. I'm an appliance repair technician with over 10 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. Sorry to hear your appliance is having issues. Please stand by while I find the answer for you. This is not an immediate service, however, I will try and respond as soon as possible. Based on the symptoms reported, it's likely the fault is caused by the flood sensor located in the base detecting water. Start by removing the kickboard along the bottom. This should just pull off, then open the door and remove the bracket either side of the appliance which holds it into the cupboard void. Finally, screw in the feet to drop it down, and pull it out of the void. Once removed, you need to close the door and power off the machine at the wall. Once off, tilt the washer at a steep angle forward and hold it in place for 30 seconds, stand it upright, and then turn on power. The pump should have stopped running, and you should now be able to run a program to confirm the fault has cleared.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.